let's make some Yemeni style chicken pulao. I'm not from Yemen and I don't know the exact recipe, but I've tried after watching a lot of TikToks, so let's go. Take half cup of oil, fry 3 onions, fry them until golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, add ginger, garlic and dried lemons. I'm gonna fry this for another minute. Now add the chicken and fry it until the chicken is brown. I transferred the chicken to a bigger pot because I realized that that one is too small. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of tomato paste. You have to fry this for another 5 minutes. Once the chicken is fried, add 2 chicken stock cubes, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala and salt. Now fry the chicken with the spices for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and a few green chillies. Keep frying this until the tomatoes are cooked as well, maybe 5 minutes. Tomatoes are a bit cooked. Add a tablespoon of pomegranate molasses. Mix it and cook it for another minute. These are 3 cups of basmati rice. I washed them and I soaked them for an hour. So I'm gonna add the rice. Mix the rice in. Now for 3 cups of rice, I'm gonna add 6 cups of hot water. Mix it. Bring this to a boil. Once the rice has reached this level where you can see water but is still not fully dry, place a few green chilies on top. Now I'm gonna cover it and this is going to be on very low heat for 20 minutes.